Hi, I'm Brianne, founder and lead mentor of Creative Genesis. Creative Genesis is a safe place and community for kids to write and create because it's just fun to do so. Here, we don't test kids, we don't use curriculums, and we don't set homework. What we are is an extracurricular program cultivating young creators, writers, and storytellers through workshops, mentorships, and community. We look at leveraging kids' passions and interests and engage them in writing and creativity tasks, projects. Integral to our success so far is that we are student-led, meaning our writers are at the center of shaping our community, always. Everything we have came from one of our writers. We constantly seek their feedback and we look to them to help us with workshop exploration and writing themes. Our community grows because our writers grow. Writers 45 are daily 45-minute workshops over Zoom, where we take our kids through creative exercises designed to flex their writing muscles, build endurance, and spark curiosity and imagination. These sessions are flexible and unlimited because creativity is not always linear. This means that our writers may jump on a Monday session and bring a piece that they're already working on, come the next day and work with a prompt, work with a writing partner on Wednesday, or skip a few sessions because they have karate grading or ballet recital, or they're moving house. Our sessions are not compulsory. We want our writers to want to write because they enjoy it and not because they have to. We also know that life gets busy for both students and parents. The reality is the best stories come from living and experiencing the world firsthand. So go and do the karate grading, go and do the ballet recital, go and move house. Next week, bring back those experiences and we'll write about those. Accompanying our Writers 45 workshops is our weekly feedback on a piece or a project that our writers are currently undertaking. It might be something from our Writers 45 session. It could be something from schoolwork or just journaling. It is similar to the Writers 45, it's optional. Sometimes we write with the door closed. Other times we open it and choose to get feedback, and that's all part of the creative process. The key to our feedback is that it's specific, it's honest, and it's targeted to each student. Asking for feedback, taking feedback, and learning from failure is a skill that requires practice, just like writing. Some of our writers also choose to undertake a personal project or capstone project. These are one-on-one sessions with a mentor with a creative or teaching background that allow students to pursue or harness a passion or interest, and it is entirely a student-led process. A mentorship may last a couple of weeks or months, and depending on those students' goals, desires, or changes in their interests. Examples of current mentoring projects include building websites, building a blog, story writing competitions, school articles, YouTube channels, and lots more. If your child has a particular interest or passion, a mentorship is a great way to engage them. The reality is that creativity, critical thinking, self-expression, and writing will be highly prized in our future landscape. It's important to have our kids not just learn these skills. The key to that is helping them enjoy writing and creative thinking. If you feel like your child is ready for something different that will engage them in writing and creativity, and especially their interest, book in for a mentor meet and greet. So come and see what opportunities are open to your child with a community membership.